The galaxy hosts hundreds of billions of stars, enough gas and dust to make billions more stars, and at least 10 times as much dark matter as all the stars and gas put together. The Earth hosts 8.7 million species of plants, bacteria, animals, fungi, and 7.6 billions of humans. We humans host 2 pounds of beings, and each one with its own way of being, the 40 trillion microorganisms living inside our gut that we call the microbiome. Each human is a unique expression of the entire universe. Our genes are the alphabet. They tell us all that is possible, but they don't define our destiny. Think about it. Your food is literally the source of your energy, and you consume it daily. Since almost everything you eat is first metabolized by your microbes, components in your food get transformed by your bacteria before your body can use them. So why the focus on the microbiome? Because your microbiome is your richest source of microbes. So let's recap. We are what we eat. We are a universe inside a universe, and we can influence this universe by the food choices we make every single day. And what we have in common is we all want to be well. This is why we created Viome, to help you understand the universe inside you. Viome's technology was originally developed for national security at the Los Alamos National Lab and offers the highest resolution of a person's gut microbiome available. Not only is Viome able to identify and quantify the living microorganisms in your gut, but more importantly, we are able to identify what these organisms are actually producing and whether or not the foods that you eat are causing your body harm. Our mission is to have the most complete understanding of the human body on a molecular level, so we can help humanity target the underlying cause of illness and empower every human to take ownership of his or her health. There is no such thing as a universal healthy diet. We deliver personalized food recommendations right into your phone based on the predicted response of your microbiome to hundreds of foods. So this way you know which foods you should enjoy, minimize, and avoid based on your unique gut microbiome. We say have control of your own future. The time for personalized nutrition is now. We invite you to take the power of well-being into your hands to listen to your gut with Viome.